Hey children, hope you all are keeping fine. I am Aditi Miss. Today I will talk about importance of water and why it is important and how to save water. Okay children?
Water, a precious resource.
Water is priceless. There is no life without water. Water is not only necessary for humans but also for plants. All vegetables depended on water. What is life? Is there is no water? Without water, you would be no crops, no fruits, no vegetables, no weeds, nothing.
We shall learn about the importance of water and related aspects.
Let us go to the small town of Rajasthan where Rajesh lived. Mother, today our school has essay writing competition. I shall call Rajesh quickly. We will be late as usual. Rajesh, are you coming? Yes. You please wait for 2 minutes. I will get ready quickly. Rajesh, you are late every day. What do you do every day you are getting late? Don't you know, Jugnu? There is such a shortage of water in our village. Every morning I bring water from the Sampa's house, so I get delayed every day. We have lot of water problem here. Oh, we also have also water problem at my house, but mother brings water from and mother sister and me evening. Children, today March 22 is celebrated as World's Water Days. We all know that there is a lot of water scarcity in our village and in different parts of our country. Today all of we will write an essay of water, what is water
And which student's essay writing will be best? He or she will get reward.
what is the significance of World Water Day? If you look at the world, you see that the most of our planet has water, which is about 70%. This is quite big. 70% of our water scarcity is still there. Have you think why it is happening?
Now I will announce the best student's name who has written the best essay.
Award goes to Jugnu, and Jugnu, come here, tell the whole class what you have written. Yes, sir. Friends, perhaps 70% water, but 97% of water is salty, which is in the from ocean and seas. So the not usable as it is salty. Jugnu is right. Only 3% of water is earth using. Sir, is this why are villages so short of water? Yes. Can you say, Jugnu, elaborate it? Yes, 3% water is called as fresh water. Of this 3% water, about two-thirds of the water is found in rivers, ponds and lakes. And so water remains as groundwater. Groundwater remains inside the things, first deposited as ice, then glaciers. It melts and goes into lakes, rivers and ponds. Only 0.006% water is available for using, which is used for agriculture and manufacturing also.
So underground water is very important.
Is this water enough for the entire population? Children, so little water is used for 7 billion people worldwide. It depends on this 0.007% water. All of us here, their experience of water scarcity, like India, there is scarcity of water in all world. Last 100 years. There are many ways to save water. We should use water very carefully. Water should not be wasted. Every drop should be saved. Water should be reused in home. Save rinse water for Doba and Tanka are made in Rajasthan. Which water conservation is done? They are like the storage tanks. The farming system is Rajasthan. It is the traditional farming system. It protect a lot of water. Everyone should conserve water or save water. Everyone should be very careful to save water. Well then, Jugnu, can you tell me where the water comes from? We get water. Rain is the biggest source of water. Well done. And how does it reach? Water aggregation is three states. I said solid state, water is liquid state, and vapor is gaseous state. Right. I will draw a picture to explain. The sun heats the water of lakes and rivers and evaporates to form the water vapor. When the water vapor cools, it turns into a liquid form. This is called condensation. When more water condenses in the clouds become heavier and it rains. This entire cycle is called water cycle. The water cycle helps to civilize the amounts of water in the earth, but we should use water carefully. There is a scarcity of water in our village, but there is a lot of water in my grandfather's village. Why does it happen, sir? It is because there is more groundwater, and where there is more groundwater, there is no shortage of water. Is groundwater very important? Groundwater is the most important source of water for us. Water accumulates below the ground. It means layer of rocks. The upper limit of groundwater place is called water table at that location. This level is higher in place and much lower in hilly areas. Sir, thank you. You give us a lot of information. And now onwards, we will be very careful. We will save every drop of water. Okay, children? Sources of water. Water is an important part of our lives. We cannot live without water. Birds, plants and animals also needs water to live. We need water for our daily use, such as drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, cleaning. Water is also used to produce electricity. The farmer also need water to plow the fields. We get water from the rain. Rainwater fills up the lakes and rivers. We get water from there. Stream, lake, pond, well, tube well, tank and reservoir. As in some cities, we get water supply from lakes. Water is stored in a place called is reservoir, from where it is carried to different places through water pipes. Water is stored in a place called a reservoir, from where it is carried to different places through water pipes. It finally reaches our homes and comes out through our water taps. Water comes to our homes from several sources. This water may be impure. Treatment of water is therefore necessary. The water stored in tanks and reservoirs is filtered and disinfected to make it germ-free and pure before it reaches to our house. Let's see a water song. Water song. Water, water, water. Duck lives in water. Snail goes in water. It's raining. In the morning when I rise, I need help to open my eyes. To the bathroom and turn the tap. Splash my face and I wake up. Our water comes from raindrops. Our water comes from raindrops. Raindrops, raindrops, raindrops. It is raining, raining, raining. We need water in our school. A healthy drink that keeps us cool. When I am painting after lunch, I need water to clean my brush. Our water comes from raindrops. Our water comes from raindrops. Raindrops, raindrops, raindrops. It's raining, raining, raining. Back home and time for tea. Mom knows it's water she needs to boil our food and clean our veg. Hurry, Mum, 'cause I need fed. Our water comes from raindrops. Our water comes from raindrops. Sometimes I like to play out in the rain and jump through puddles. It is my very favorite game. Splash, splash, splash. Our water comes from raindrops. Our water comes from raindrops. Now it is time to go to sleep. I need water to brush my teeth, to wash my hands and shower clean. Water is a friend indeed. Our water comes from raindrops. Our water comes from raindrops. Splash, splash and splash. It's raining and everyone is enjoying. You enjoy, children? Let us practice.
State true or false for the following sentences. Number 1. On boiling, water changes into ice. It's false. It gets vapor. 2. Clouds fall down as rain. It's true. 3. Steam is also called water vapor. Yes, it's true. We cannot hold ice in our hands. It's false. Number 5. We drink the gaseous form of water. No, it's false. We can't drink gas. Guess my name. I am the solid form of water. Answer is ice. Number 2. I heat up the water from the rivers, ponds, etc. Answer is sun. Number 3. On cooling, I fall down as rain. Who am I? I am cloud. 4. I am the gaseous form of water. What is that? That is water vapor. Number 5. I help to obtain underground water. What is it? It is hand pump. What is water vapor? Answer. On boiling, water changes into a gas called steam. This steam is called water vapor. Number 2. How are clouds formed? Answer. Rain gives us water. Rainwater is collected in ponds, lakes, and rivers. The sun heats up the water in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Due to heat, the water changes into water vapor. Water vapor rises in the air and forms tiny droplets of water. These water droplets form clouds. How do we get the water that goes underground? Answer. We get the water that goes underground by digging hand pumps, wells, etc. Number 4. What happens when water is kept in the freezer? Answer is when water is kept in the freezer, it changes to ice after some time. Number 5. How can we get back liquid water from ice? Answer is we can get liquid water from ice by heating ice.
Water, a precious resource. Water is used to various purposes such as drinking water, irrigation, animal husbandry, transportation, industry, hydroelectricity production, fisheries. In villages, even today 80% people do not have tap water. They have to depend on groundwater for drinking water. Groundwater comes through hand pumps, tube wells, etc. In India, the farmers are depending on groundwater for agricultural works. There is also a great demand for for industries. Groundwater is widely used in everything for food processing to textile industries. Groundwater is very important and we should conserve it. In the video, we learnt about reduction in groundwater level and its many reasons. Now we will learn about water management and water conservation. To get more information for water management, we will take you to a small village in Gujarat where Kunal and Mehul lived as families to understand the various measures of water conservation. Oh, water is not coming from this tap. Let's see what happened. What's the matter, father? Hey, why so much water falling from the water tank? Looks like a pipe is broken. Something has to be done quickly. There is lot of water problem in village. We cannot do anything. We need to call a plumber. Yes, you are correct. But I have closed the valve of the pipes here. We have to save every drop of water because our groundwater has decreased. There has no water last 2 to 3 years. And 2 to 3 years, the fields are also getting very less water. Therefore, water has to be used very carefully. Our teacher also saying that the groundwater of the village has reduced. You were saying that we have to be careful by using water. What precautions is it like this? Like when father stopped the pipe leak for today? Yes, every drop of water has to be saved. Water leakage should be stopped. We should only use water as much water as we need. We just that tap should be closed while brushing and should be functional only when needed. Continuous water wastage should be stopped. Rightly said. Even while taking bath, one must first fill the water in the bucket, then take a bath. One should not let the water flow from the tap while bathing. If there is leakage of water from anywhere, one must ensure that there is no leakage of water from pipes, taps, or water tanks in the house. Is it right, Father? Yes, you are right. We have to check there is no leakage of water in our house. We should use only as much water as we need as far as possible. Close the taps after use. Father, we should wash the vegetables in the deep vessels instead of running water. This will not waste water. Mehul, you have said correct thing. Water management is very important. Tap should never be left open even when washing clothes, and most importantly, water should never be disposed of in drain. It should be used for other purposes like watering or cleaning the plants or in the garden. I will not mess with water from today, brother. Let us go to the school. Look, brother, I never been attention to this Bavri as well. Water is cold here. Will you use this water for farming? Let's ask the farmer uncle. Uncle, is this well's water used in fields? Yes, children. In this well, we conserve rainwater and use it for farming. Is it? Look, to save water in the field, we have made platform. When the water gets filled in the field, the extra water goes to the field under it and also fills the other fields. Thank you, uncle. You look along, the Masterji said that we too get manage water in our house. How is that, brother? Teacher was saying that we should make an attempt to collect the rainwater that flows on the roofs and along the roads after it rains. This is called rainwater harvesting, and it should collect rainwater in reservoir or man-made tanks. This saves water. How hard we have to work to save water? Yes, how will there is no water? How will tree grows? And trees and grows are not there. Humans and animals will not get food. That's why water is life. You are right, brother. Look there. Why are so many pipes connected like this? Let's see. Yes, let's go. I am very curious to know if there is new irrigation system. Hello uncle, we wanted to ask you that what is the system through which this water is going to the crop like this? Hello kids, this is called drip irrigation. It is a method of irrigation in which water is provided with a small diameter plastic pipe in the root zone of crops in the form of a drip drop. What is the benefit of this? This system uses less water and crops get more water. It also saves water. Thank you, uncle. Today both of us got to see many ways of save water. We have come to know the what is water. There is water, there is life. Water should be saved. Children, can you list more ways to save water? Children, you have got information on ways to save water. By saving rainwater, the groundwater level is conserved and water supply is maintained. See you. Thank you.
Clouds are A. Tiny drops of water floating in air. B. Mixture of dust and water vapor. C. Particles of water vapor. Or D. Raindrops in air. Answer is A. Tiny drops of water floating in air. Number 2. Floods cause extensive damage to A. Crops, B. Domestic animals, C. Property and human life, D. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Floods cause extensive damage. Number 3. Which of the following is not a source of potable water? A. River, B. Well, C. Sea, or D. Lake? Answer is C. Sea or ocean. Number 4. Which of the following is not associated with water? Answer A. Earthquake, B. Flood, C. Tsunami, or D. Drought? Answer is A. It's earthquake. Transpiration is the process in which plants A. prepare food from water, B. release water vapor, C. receive water from soil, or D. absorb water vapor from air. Answer is B. release water vapor. Water occurring on the surface of the earth is called A. groundwater, B. aquifer, C. stream, or D. surface water. Answer is C. stream. The process of change ice into water. A. melting, B. condensation, C. evaporation, or D. precipitation. What is the answer? Answer is yes, A. melting. Melting ice into water. Water covers about dash percentage of the earth's surface. A 71%, B 50%, C 90%, or D 30%. Answer is A 71%. Which of these following will lead to reduction in availability of groundwater? A. plantation, B. constructing more lakes, C. rainwater harvesting, or D. building concrete roads? Answer is B. constructing more lakes. Water is composed of dash and dash chemical elements. A. oxygen and nitrogen, B. nitrogen and hydrogen, C. hydrogen and oxygen, D. carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Answer is C. hydrogen and oxygen. Rainwater harvesting is a process A. to form more potable water, B. to use rainwater for day-to-day use, C. collect rainwater for future use, or D. to use rainwater for agricultural harvest. Answer is C. collect rainwater for future use. Higher level of floods and droughts are led by A. higher precipitation, B. lower precipitation, C. sandstorms, or none of the above, D. Answer is A. higher precipitation. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking and personal hygiene per person per day is a minimum of A. 5 liters, B. 50 liters, C. 15 liters, or D. 30 liters. Answer is B. 50 liters. Wow. Purification and removal of bacteria, solid materials and other impurities from used water is classified as A. cloud seeding, B. membrane filtration, C. distillation, or D. reclamation. Answer is D. reclamation. Which of these activities will waste water? A. keeping the tap closed when not in use, B. repair the leaking tap, C. rainwater harvesting, D. throwing away the water after washing the vegetables. Answer is D. Throwing away the water after wasting the vegetables. Answer the following question. What are the three forms of water? Answer is the three forms of water are ice, water and water vapor. How are clouds formed? Water vapor in the sky condenses to become tiny drops of water. These drops of water come together to form clouds. What happens to water which comes down as rain? The rainwater flows down to lakes, rivers, ponds, and oceans. Some of it is taken by the soil and it goes into the ground. What is water cycle? The sun hits the water in lakes, rivers, ponds, and oceans. It changes into water vapor and rises into the sky. There it gets cooled down and changes into drops of rain. The sun hits the water again. It is a process that never ends. It is called water cycle. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word from the box. 1. Water vapor is water in the form of dash. 2. Water dash to make water vapor. 3. When water freezes, we get dash. Answer 1. Water vapor is water in the form of gas. Water evaporates to make water vapor. When water freezes, we get ice.
Thank you and have a nice day.